How do you say cheers in Portuguese? The word cheers in Portuguese is saúde. Saúde. Vamos brindar. Saúde. Vamos brindar. Saúde. Let's toast. Cheers. Ergam os copos. Saúde. Ergam os copos. Saúde. Raise your glasses. Cheers. In Portugal, when you clink glasses before drinking, the most common word to say is saúde, which literally means cheers. It's usually said with eye contact and a smile. And it's sometimes followed by a tua, which means to yours, or I suppose it's sort of like and you. Or a nossa, which means to us. Saúde e felicidades. Saúde e felicidades. Cheers and best wishes. Brinde, saúde. Brinde, saúde. A toast. Cheers. Bebamos a nossa saúde. Bebamos a nossa saúde. Let's drink to our health. So if you want to say cheers in Portuguese, you can say saúde. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado!